Hey YouTube, welcome to another great episode of The Hangar. One where, once again, I'm in a parking lot on the side of the road. Not the car's fault, a little bit my fault, a lot of winter's fault, a lot of the city's fault, most of the city's fault. So, where we live, we have winter, and winter, obviously you have ice that gets in the cracks, create potholes, and then you get a complacent city that doesn't fill potholes, doesn't give a crap about filling potholes, and so you run into one and it cracks your wheel. So that's what happened to me. Let's take a look at it. Let's see here. Did this. As you can see, it's a nice big chunk out of my wheel. So now I'm on the side of the road and I'm gonna have to fix this. So I guess let's get after it. The last time I changed the brakes, I didn't use anti-seize on the hub, so the wheels are seized on. So now I'm waiting for my wife to bring a sledgehammer to get them off. So the wife bailed me out with a sledge and I got it replaced, fixed, and now I'm on my way to my day job. And maybe one day I won't have to have that day job. Maybe you guys can help us get that hangar and make this thing a legit job for us. I guess we'll see. Anyways, if you like this video and you like seeing me always get in trouble, apparently I always am with cars. That's why they always say I'm in the back of a Denny's, because I am. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And we'll see you next time. Have a good one.